Hello friends, welcome to Food Agri classes. Myself Lakshmikant Rawat. Today I will teach about sterilization. Before the starting video, if someone has came new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also so that you can get next new video notification. Now start the video or intro. Sterilization of intro. Sterilization is a making a substance free from the all microorganisms both in vegetative and sporing state. Spore is the reproductive structure that is the adapted for dispersal and surviving for extended period of the time in unfavorable condition. Spore from part of the life cycle of many bacteria, plants, algae, fungi and some protozoa. मैं आपको बता दूं जो स्टरलाइजेशन है बेसिकली मैं जो ये वीडियो प्रोवाइड करा रहा हूँ इससे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामों में नहीं आते हैं बट मैं एक एज अ नोट्स ये प्रोवाइड करा रहा हूँ। स्टरलाइजेशन जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं मैं अभी आपको बता दे रहा हूँ। क्या पूछा जाता है कि स्टरलाइजेशन का या पूछा जा सकता है स्टरलाइजेशन किसने डिस्कवर किया था? तो लुईस पास्चर ने 1860 में डिस्कवर किया था एंड पास्चराइजेशन को भी लुईस पास्चर ने डिस्कवर किया था। और स्टरलाइजेशन का टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? 121 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है फॉर 30 मिनट। एंड व्हाट इज PSI ऑफ स्टरलाइजेशन पूछा गया है तो 15 PSI होता है। इतना ही कम्पिटिटिव में ज़्यादा पूछा जा सकता है और बाकी आगे का कुछ पता नहीं, तो मैं सारा आपको थ्योरी कवर कराऊंगा। Next term used in sterilization, disinfectant. The destruction or removal of the all pathogenic organism capable of giving rise to infection. Disinfection does not affect spore state organism. Antiseptic. The term is used to indicate the prevention of infection, usually by inhibiting the growth of the bacteria in wound or tissue. This is done by the antiseptic chemical or disinfection which can be safely applied on skin and mucous membrane to prevent infection by inhibiting the microbial or bacteria. Bacterial agent या germadial, those which able to kill bacteria. Next, bacterioisostatic agent only prevent multiplication of bacteria but they retain alive. Cleaning, important permanentary step before sterilization or disinfection by removing soil and other dirt. Decontamination, the process of rendering an article or area free of contamination including microbial, chemical, radioactive and other hazards. What is classification of sterilization? Sterilization have two type: physical method and chemical method. What include a physical method: sunlight, drying heat, dry heat, flame, inclination, hot air, moist heat, pasteurization, boiling, steam under pressure. Filtration, candles, asboids, spades, membrane. Radiation, ultrasonic, ultra and sonic vibration. What is chemical matter? Alcohol, ethyl, isopropanyl, trichlorobutanol, aldehyde, formaldehyde and glutaraldehyde, dye, halogens, phenol, surface active agent, metallic salt, gases, ethylene oxide, formaldehyde, beta, propanolactone. Next, physical method of sterilization. Lights, like sunlight, action primarily due to the UV rays, however effect vary due to place. Example, in tropical country the germicidal effect is better than for season country. Bacteria and water are readily destroyed by sunlight. Drying, moisture is essential for growth of bacteria. Drying is in air has deleterious effect on the many bacteria. However, spores are unaffected. Therefore, it is not really unreliable. Next, heat. Most reliable method of sterilization and should be method of choice. क्योंकि हीट से क्या होता है, जब हाई हीट देते हैं हम तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं वो डिस्ट्रॉयड हो जाते हैं, और कभी कभी कुछ एंजाइम होते हैं वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं, उसकी वजह से भी कुछ डिसएडवांटेज हो जाते हैं। लेकिन मोस्टली हमारा जो मेन पर्पज होता है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को डीएक्टिवेट करने का होता है। लेकिन कॉक्सिला बर्नटाई जो है वो मोस्ट हीट रेजिस्टेंट वायरस है, तो उसके लिए हम जो यूज़ करते हैं पास्चुराइजेशन टेक्निक का यूज़ करते हैं। तो तभी तो बताया गया है कि जो कॉर्जिना वैलिडिटी है वो एक एज अ डिटेक्टर यूज होता है उसमें, मतलब पास्चुराइजेशन टेक्निक में, कि वो हाई हीट रेजिस्टेंट माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है। द फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग स्टेरिलाइजेशन बाई हीट, नेचर ऑफ हीट, ड्राई और मोइस्ट, टेम्परेचर एंड टाइम, number of microorganisms present, characteristics of organism, species, strain, spore forming, sporing capacity, the types of material from which organisms have to eliminated, killing effect is due to protein denaturation, oxidative damage and toxic effect of evaluated level of electrolytic, killing effect of moist heat due to the denaturation of coagulation of protein. Next, thermal death time. Thermal death time, minimum time required to kill suspension of organism of a great terminal temperature in specified environment. Thermal death time is irreversibly proportional to temperature. Thermal death time is increase in presence of organic substance. थर्मल जो टाइम होते हैं इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं किसकी प्रेजेंस में, ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस, प्रोटीन, न्यूक्लिक एसिड, स्टार्च, जिलेशन एंड शुगर फैट्स आल्सो. Next, dry heat. What is dry heat? Flaming, heating over fire till they become red hot. Sorry, instrument like point of forceps, spatula, inoculating loop and wire. Inoculating loop is a batter dipped in the disinfectant first before flaming to prevent spattering. Next, incrimination. It is a process that involves the combustion of organic substance contained in waste material, item, contaminated cloth, animal carcass, and pathological material (PVC), polyethylene can be delayed. However, polystyrene will emit black smoke, hence should be autoclaved in appropriate container. Next, hot air oven. Hot air oven are the electrical device used in sterilization. आप सभी जानते होंगे हॉट एयर ओवन जो एज अ लेबोरेटरी, एज इन लेबोरेटरी में हम यूज करते हैं किसी भी मीडिया को जो हम ग्रो कराना चाहते हैं माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म, तो एज अ टेम्परेचर दे के हम यूज करते हैं, वही हॉट एयर ओवन है। एज अ स्टेरिलाइजर भी हम इसे यूज कर लेते हैं. द ओवन यूज dry heat of the sterilized article. Generally, they can be operated from 50 to 30 degrees Celsius, 121 to 572 degree Fahrenheit. There is a thermostat controlling the temperature. This is the most widely used method of sterilization by dry heat. Item glassware, forceps, scissors, scalpel, and all glass sizing, saw, liquid, paraffin, dusting powder, flat greases. Material should be properly arranged to allow free circulation of air. Next, precaution. Glassware should be dry. Oven should not be overloaded. Articles are arranged in manner to allow free circulation of air. Door of oven should be opened after it cool down. What is temperature of hot oven? 160 for 45 minutes, 170 for 18 minutes, and 180 for 7.5 minutes, and 190 1.5 minutes. Next, advantage and disadvantage. They do not require water and there is not much presence build up within an oven, unlike autoclave, making them safer to work with, suitable to be used in a laboratory environment. They are much smaller than autoclave. but can still be as effective as they use dry heat instead of moist heat. Some organisms, the like protein, may not be killed by them every time. Next, moist heat. Moist heat can be categorized into three: temperature below 100, at 100, and above 100 temperature 100 degrees. Pasteurization of milk. Holding period 63 degrees Celsius 30 minutes. Holder method, or 72 degrees Celsius 15 to 20 minutes, followed by cooling quickly 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस लोअर टारगेट ऑल नॉन स्पोरिंग पैथोजन। आप जानते होंगे जो नॉन स्पोर फॉर्मिंग बैक्टीरिया हैं, पैथोजन है, वो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, लाइक इकोलाई, साल्मोनेला, चलेजला इटीसी। एग्जाम्पल माइकोबैक्टीरियम, ब्रोचुला। हाँ, यहाँ एग्जाम्पल भी दे रखे हैं। साल्मोनेला, कॉक्जिला वेलेंटाई रिलेटिवली हीट रेजिस्टेंट may survive them. Holder method. टेम्परेचर एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस। बॉइलिंग, आप जानते होंगे कि बॉइलिंग का टेम्परेचर 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है। नॉट रिकमेंडेड फॉर स्टेलाइजेशन बट यूज फॉर disinfection. Sterilization may be promoted by addition of 2% sodium bicarbonate to the water. Holding period 10 to 30 minutes. Steam at atmospheric pressure 100 degrees Celsius used to sterilize culture media. This is an inexpensive method. Holding period 100 degrees Celsius 20 minutes on 3 successive days. Intermittent sterilization principle. First exposure kill vegetative bacteria, and then the next exposure will kill vegetable bacteria that mature from the spore. Steam under pressure autoclave. आप ऑटोक्लेव के बारे में जानते होंगे, आपने लैब में यूज किया होगा। जैसे जो आपने देखा होगा ना कुकर, उसी टाइप में मतलब नॉर्मली लैब में यूज होता है, कुकर के जैसा होता है, और थोड़ा उससे बड़े भी होते हैं। एक एग्रीकल्चर लैबों में वो जो कुकर होता है, प्रेशर कुकर, उसी को एज ऑटोक्लेव यूज करते हैं। तो ऑटोक्लेव एंड स्टीम स्टेरिलाइजर। ऑटोक्लेव इज अ डिवाइस दैट यूज स्टीम of sterilizer requirement and other objective. This means that all bacteria, viruses, fungi, and spore are inactivated. However, prawns may not be destroyed by autoclave. जो प्रॉन्स होते हैं वो ऑटोक्लेव से डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होते हैं। टिपिकली 134 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर 3 मिनट और 120 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर 15 मिनट। What is principle? Water boil when its vapor pressure equal the surrounding atmosphere. Thus, when pressure inside closed vessel increase, the temperature at which water boil increase too. Holding period varies. Temperature between 108 degrees Celsius and 147 degrees Celsius. Item: dressing instrument, laboratory ware, media, and pharmaceutical product. Several types of steam sterilizer: laboratory autoclave, hospital dressing sterilizer, bowl and instrument sterilizer, rapid cooling sterilizer. Even a domestic pressure cooker can be used as sterilizer. मैंने जो बताया था, घरेलू प्रेशर जो कुकर होता है वो भी ऐसे यूटिलाइजर यूज करते हैं, स्टेरिलाइजर यूज करते हैं। रिकमेंडेड टेम्परेचर एंड ड्यूरेशन: 121 for 15 minutes, 126 for 10 minutes, 134 for 3 minutes. Disadvantage of autoclave: some plastic ware melt in high heat and sharp instruments often become dull. Moreover, many chemicals break down during the sterilization process, and only substances cannot be treated because they do not mix with water. Filtration helps to remove bacteria from heat level liquid items, sera, and solution of sugar and antibiotics. Principle: as a virus pass through the ordinary filter, filtration can be used to obtain bacteria free filtrate of clinical sample or virus isolation. Next, types of filtration: candle filtration, Asbestos filter, scintillated glass filter, membrane filter. Candle filter gas are used for purification of water and industrial and drinking purpose. These are manufactured under different grade of porosity. There are two types of candle filter: unglass ceramic filter and diatomous filter. S-Boyets filter, disposal single-use disc, tend to alkalize filter liquid. Usage is discouraged because of its carcinogenic property. Example: sage and stearine filter. Cyanitrate glass filter has low absorptive property, better and expensive membrane filter made of cellulose ester or other polymer, usually used for water purification and analysis, sterilization, and sterilized testing and preparation of solution for permanent use. नेट रेडिएशन, एज रेडिएशन भी स्टेलाइजेशन यूज होता है, और मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी उसमें आपको बताया था जो रेडिएशन है, जो हाई डोज रेडिएशन होता है वो एज ए स्टेलाइजेशन ही यूज होता है, जिसमें पैथोजेनिक और बैक्टीरिया को किल करने का काम करते हैं. टाइप ऑफ रेडिएशन: आयोनॉजिक रेडिएशन. आयोनॉजिक रेडिएशन के बारे में भी मैंने उस वीडियो में बताया है, मैं उसकी लिंक यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में पेस्ट कर दूँगा, तो आप वहाँ से रेडिएशन के बारे में फुली जान सकते हैं. पूरा आपको मैंने उसमें वीडियो में डिस्क्राइब किया. नॉन आयोनिक रेडिएशन: इंफ्रारेड यूज अ रैपिड मास स्टेरिलाइजेशन ऑफ प्रिपेयर्ड आइटम्स सच एज sirens and catheters. UV used for disinfection enclosed areas such as enterways, operation theatre and labs. Ionizing radiation: gamma ray, X-ray used for sterilizing plastic, sirens and soap, cathode animal feed, cardboard, oil, greases, fiber and metal foil. Next, testing efficiency of radiation. Radiation control indicator disc, a special paper sticker which is yellow in color is stick on the article after proper sterilization. This color change to red. Chemical method of sterilization. Action of chemical agent: protein coagulation, destruction of cell membrane resulting in exposure, damage, loss of content, removal of sulfur hydryl group, essential for normal function of the enzyme, substrate competition. Next, commonly used of chemical compound like alcohol. Frequently used are the ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. These must be used at a concentration 60 to 90%. Isopropyl alcohol is used in disinfection of clinical thermometer. Methyl alcohol is effective agents fungal spore treatment, combatant and incubator. Methyl alcohol is also toxic and inflammable. एल्डिहाइड, फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड. एल्डिहाइड में जो टाइप्स है: फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड हैविंग बैक्टीरियल, स्पोरिसिडियल एंड हैज लीथल इफेक्ट ऑन वायरस, यूज्ड टू प्रिजर्व एनाटोमिकल स्पेसिमेन, डिस्ट्रॉइंग anthrax spore and hair and wool. Next, glutaraldehyde, effective against tubercle bacilli, fungi, viruses, less toxic and irritant to eye skin, used to treat anesthetic rubber, face mask, plastic and trochlear tube, metal instrument, polyethylene tubing, etc. What is dye used in sterilization? Group of dye, two types के, aniline dye and acridine dye. Both are bacteriostatic in high dilution but are low of bactericidal activity. Aniline is more active against gram-positive than gram-negative organisms. Some important dye: proflavin, acryflavin, euflavin, aminocrine flavin. Dye: These impair the DNA complex of the organism and thus kill or destroy the reproductive capacity of cell. Halogens, iodine, used as skin disinfectant, having active bactericidal activity and moderate action on the spore. Chlorine, used to disinfect water supply, swimming pools and food and dairy industry. Along with hydrochloride and bactericidal also act on a viruses. Phenol, these are the obtained from distillation of the coal tar between 170 to 270 degrees Celsius. Lethal effect are capacity to cause cell membrane damage, releasing cell content and causing lysis. Low concentration will precipitated protein gases. Types of gases used for sterilization: ethylene oxide, formaldehyde gases, and beta propiolactane (BPL). Ethyl oxide action is due to alkylating agent the amino carboxylic hydrol and sulfidyl group in protein molecule. Also on DNA and RNA. Items: heart, lungs, machine, respiratory stimuli and dental equipment, box, clothing, etc. Formaldehyde gas. This is a widely employed for fumigation of OT and other rooms. Formaldehyde is produced by adding 150 gram of KMnO4 to 280 milligram of the formalin for every 1000 cube feet of room volume after closing the window and other outlets. After fumigation, the door should be sealed and left unpoint for 48 hours. आप देखा होगा जब लैब में कोई काम करता है उससे पहले उसको ह्यूमिगेट किया जाता है जिससे उसमें जो माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म है वो रिमूव हो जाए या डीएक्टिवेट हो जाए और आफ्टर 48 आवर उसको ओपन कर सकते हैं आप कमरे को लैब को. बीटा प्रोपियोलैक्टिन product of ketone and formaldehyde with a boiling point of 163 degrees Celsius, having rapid bactericidal activity but carcinogenic, capable of killing all microorganisms and very active against viruses. Surface active agent. Substance that alter the energy relation and interface produce a reduction of surface or interfacial tension is called surface active agent. These are widely used as wetting agent, detergent and emulsifier. There are four main groups: anion, cation, non-anion and amphoteric. Metallic salt. Those are all salt have a certain amount of germicidal action depending on their concentration. Salt of heavy metal have a great action. Example: salt of silver, copper and mercury. These are protein coagulant and have a capacity to combine with free sulfidyl group of all cell enzyme. थैंक यू. यहीं तक है वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और कोई भी आपको वीडियो में प्रॉब्लम है आपको कहीं समझ नहीं आ रहा तो आप मेरे को मैसेज कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.